Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. This is going to be an update video. I'm not going to do any work in it. I had a lot going on this week. Just didn't have time to get out here and do a whole lot. I got like a half an hour worth of work in, a little bit of video, not enough to make a full video. So yeah, we're just going to do an update. It's coming along. We got parts. I can show you what we got going on here. Okay, we got the clutch adapter, hub adapter in and on. I got the driver put on and bolted on. I did get the spacers made for the engine plate. They're originally with rubber adapters. I made steel ones. We got all that. Let's see what else we got here. I started working on the clutch and the drive line. It's going to need a lot of work. If some of y'all know, why is there a bearing here? I've never had a bearing there as an 82 series thing. But yeah, got that. And then I don't think you guys will be able to see. There's a missing pin on the second. Yeah, that pin's missing. So I plan on tearing this apart and cleaning it up, putting a new disc and stuff in it, anyways. But yeah, and we got some shenanigans going on here. We got some washers, bearing, hose clamp, all that. So I do have a new red spring put on here. I might try to use this bonded clutch from Lakota, but I think it might be too thick. Probably end up just going with the aluminum disc. But yeah. Oh, and I put some jack stands under the back. I did order some studs for the back wheels and lug nuts. They're on their way. But yeah, so all right, y'all. There's the update. As you can see, it's cold out here. It's like 18 degrees here in the shop right now. I just got home from work. It's almost 6 o'clock. I just had a lot going on this week. Didn't have time to get out here and video too much. So yeah, that's the update on where the tractor's at. We're gonna hit it hard next week. We got some snow coming in. They're saying 10 to 12 inches over the weekend here. I'll probably be in at work all weekend long. So yeah, it's gonna suck, but it is what it is. But appreciate y'all watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully we'll have a better video for you next week. So take care, y'all, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.